But let us have a look at the product rule directly. So once I click on modify, product rule opens up. So once you look at the product rule, so we can understand that we can, have a granularity in the product rule. Like directly you can select the versions of the rules. I mean, from which version to version would you like to have on the product rule? Or what entities would you like to individually have them? You can decide on the product rule. You see the product rule dash admin dash product for HRS. And what is it part of? It's part of HRS 010101. Why? Because initially we made a selection for it that it should be part of 010101. Okay. So what all applications to include? HRS, and then you have a version, and then if in case you need specific rule sets to be involved within a range of versions, you can include them. So this is more like a granular approach. Then your classes, all your data classes will be reported in here. Then all your individual instances, starting with, you see, the tables related to the databases, then the access groups, then the operators, then my organization division unit, work queues, work baskets, work groups. So all of these are available. And then towards the end, no jars so far, so not available. I mean, we did not add any jars, so they're not available. Let me give in the file details. Or let me give something like this: backup of HRS. Now, so there's one important option here: allow unlocked rule set versions. So this allows the product rule to have some unlocked rule set versions. Because if you see, HRS 010101 is still unlocked, correct? Now, would this product rule allow unlocked versions? If you would like to, click yes. If not, no, you don't want any unlocked versions on your product rule, then what you do is go back to your rule set, lock it, and then you can just save this product. Okay, so either of the one we have to do. Either if you are willing to lock the rule set, then you can deselect this. Okay. Or if you think the rule set has to be unlocked, then enable this. Okay, so as it is already unlocked, I would like to enable it. Then here also you can find or you can have a preview of the product rule. Okay, you can either create or save.
Sneha, there's one more, global exclusion.
Sorry?
Can you scroll up?
Yes.
Here, global exclusion. Can you expand
Okay.
that one?
Yeah.
This one.
So here, I mean, if it is like if you would like to exclude few things from your product rule, so what all would you like to exclude? Okay. So these things, most of them are part of deprecated rules. So you see, few things are deprecated, and if you don't want any of these to be part of your product rule, you can select them so that they will be discarded here itself.
Okay.
Right. Now, yes, my product rule, I'll just click on create product file. So this is going to create a wrap for me. So far we have just created a product rule. Okay, but once I click on create product file, a wrap would be created. So let us give it a name. Okay, let it be V1 0101. So this wizard might take a moment because it is consolidating all your rules, data instances, and all the rule sets, everything. So you see, you would be able to see this progress here. So I see around 1355 records are being part of your product rule now. I mean product file in fact. Okay, yes, here is my archive. Let me download it. So yes, my archive file. Yes, it is being downloaded, and this is how, as a zip file, I would be looking at it. Okay, so this is where we have created a product rule, and from that we have got our wrap file.